don't even know why I press record. I just want to start getting footage. Because I don't have my computer right now. I can't edit anything right now. Waiting for my computer to come in. I want to do... I want to do another InStyle video. Okay, I still got a few more things to put on the whip.
I don't mean to disrespect. I'm here working. Do you smoke cigarettes?
Nah, I don't. I'm sorry. Come, Goofy. Let's go. I know you want to stay outside, but no. Yeah, you don't like the camera. You don't like the camera. You don't like the camera. Come on. I still got some miles to do still. I got four that I have on me that I still need to do to this car. Good, wind guard. Wind guard, rain guard, I don't care what the fuck you call it. I don't like how these came out a little loose. He's a little loosey. Not gonna. I was just taking this out. This whole shit is tight loose. I ain't gonna lie. This one's sturdy. I don't know, man. I got low-key messed up. I don't know if you can see. But it's not really... Yo, what's the disrespect? Oh, now. It's not no damn junk car, boy. That's a joke. Chill. What are the other things I still got to do? Is these. You know it wasn't. You know, huh? That and a plastic butter knife.
Let me get that. Let me get that.
Get what?
Let me get that camera.
For what?
I'm trying to shoot some movies.
Fuck out of here. Ooh, this is so nerve-wracking, bro. I don't want to fuck up no paint, no Nathan. That's why I asked for a plastic butter knife. My cameraman, I'm not gonna lie. It's not efficient till you do the badges, man. I'm gonna just do this. Go all around. It's heli glue. Heli glue. Can you see that? I got focus. Heli glue on that bit. I don't know. I need some W. Yo, you got some WD-40, my boy? You got goo off? This is so nerve-wracking, bro. I don't want to fuck anything up. Hold on, bro. Word. Just about to watch my facial expressions, man. It wasn't the badge. It wasn't the badge. I was using a lot of force. Broke that badge off. Hooey. Hooey. I'm almost got. I'm almost there though. There we go. one piece. Yo, they put so much glue on this bitch. It don't make no damn sense, dog. I gotta clean all this shit off. And I make sure this bitch clean. What's that? Oh no, it's about to rain. I put this away, yo. I don't got a waterproof camera. I'm gonna just let y'all know when I'm done. I got most of it on. Good amount. That should be enough for the first piece, which is this one, I believe. It is this one. Here we go. Make sure we could. Come on. Trying to tell you, you trying to push the car on that, man.
All right, then when you do this, when you hold it, you go back 2 hours later. All right, and when you done holding it, watch this. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna leave. You feel me? Barely.
Lip all hanging out, but it's in the hole, so that's really on that shit. I'm just gonna make sure that
Wait. No.